Hello, Paul here from EMD Automotive at Caribou Sydney. I've got this Porsche 996 I was working on a few weeks back, so everything is done. So now I've got my actual parts, so now I'm going to actually assemble the actual, start sealing everything back up now. So what I'm doing now, I'm going to just finish cleaning all the excuse me, I just finished cleaning everything. Cylinder head there, see how clean it is. I just finished double checking all the bolts. This one as well, I put a mark, yellow mark, that means I've done it up. So everything is tight. Camshafts back on, all timed up. The video I done for the timing have been deleted because I accidentally reformatted my SIM card, my SD card, and all that video I done was about 10 minutes of how to time this 3.4, because they're a bit harder to time this up because it's not done with the actual cam tool, it's done with the actual marking on here as well. So on the 997 onwards, 996, 3.6 and 997 onwards, they've got the actual cam tool here. You can line it up much easier, but the 3.4 with the actual adjuster, like this kind of adjuster, video cam, it's different. All right, so anyway, so what I'm doing now, I'm going to seal this side up and I'm going to clean the other side as well, seal it and assemble the stuff I'll go on top, and then I'll go from there. All right, thanks for watching and please subscribe.